If it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. So today, some Hanukkah-inspired barbecue sauce to go with this brisket. Are you ready? Then let's do it. I'm starting with 1 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to add 1 cup of ketchup. It's Hanukkah, so we're adding 2 cups of Manischewitz wine. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, each with 1/3 of a cup of raisin, 1/3 of a cup of apricots, and 1/3 of a cup of fig. Add a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Ooh. How come I don't see any smoke? So our sauce has come to a boil. So now we're going to reduce it down to low, and we're going to let that simmer until it's reduced and thickened. I think it's done. So I think we're ready to plate. Need to put our great barbecue sauce on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Put a little parsley on. So happy Hanukkah. I hope you all stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And if it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Bye.